In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use currency converter tool on your smartphone. This we shall do without downloading any third-party app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you go to your Android smartphone, you'll find that there is a hidden currency converter tool that many people don't know or don't use. To find this, just go to your apps and look for your calculator app. So here is my calculator app. If I tap on it, apart from the normal calculation functions, if you look up here, you can see we have extra functions. We have this first function that gives you access to various measuring tools such as area, data, length, and so many others. However, if I go to the next tool, you can see here we have a $ on it. If you tap on it, now here you can see we have a currency converter. If you tap on this icon here, you'll be able to convert currencies to their latest value according to the market in real time. For instance, if I want to know the value of, say, $700, I just go ahead and tap on this first value, then enter the value I want. So I want to enter $700, and you can convert this into 3 different currencies in real time. For instance, I'll wish this in my local currency, so I'll go to my country or currency used by my country, and here it is, Kenya shillings. You can see this is equivalent to 90,300 Kenyan shillings, and the same amount is equivalent to 572.41 euros. So you can change this to any other currency and you'll get the conversion in real time. Should I want to make further changes, I'll just go ahead and tap on it, or you can also just change this and you'll get the real-time value of each and every currency that you wish. For instance, 25,000 euros will be equivalent to this amount of shillings and this amount of US dollars. So if you check down below here, you can see the exchange rate are reported by Webull, and this is the current date, which means this conversion is in real time. So that's how you can use internal currency converter on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.